Welcome again, my friend. I'm glad you're here. At the start of a new day. Let your body find a place to rest, sitting or lying down, however is comfortable. And if you'd like, let your eyes close. Begin with the breath. One slow breath in and out. Feel the body settle, the weight of it, resting where it is. These past 4 days, we've practiced being still. Breath, body, the quiet sky behind our thoughts. Today, we take that same stillness and carry it into movement. Because soon you will rise from this place and take a first step into the day. That step doesn't have to be rushed. It can be the first act of awareness, not the start of forgetting. So often, we leave stillness, and the mind runs ahead immediately into the next task, the next hour. What if today, the moment of rising, was met with the same care as the breath? Stillness and movement are not opposites. Awareness can live in both. Let's prepare for that first step now. In a moment, I'll invite you to rise slowly and take a few steps, however your space allows. Before you do, imagine the feeling of your foot meeting the floor, the shift of weight, the small balance your body finds, without you ever teaching it how. Whenever you're ready, begin to rise. No hurry. Feel your feet on the ground. And when you're ready, take one slow step. Just one. Feel the whole motion, the lifting, the moving, the landing. That one step, fully felt, is a complete moment of presence. Nothing about it was missing. Let's set an intention for today. Somewhere in this day, I will notice one step, one motion, fully felt. You don't have to walk slowly all day. You only have to remember that movement too can be home. Take a fuller breath now. Feel the ground beneath you. Steady. Ready. And when you're ready, let your eyes open fully, if they aren't already. Carry this with you. Every step today can be a small return to right here. Have a good day.